Hello, everybody. Miss Nikki here from Studio CIA, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a quick and easy, adorable chicken in a nest. I've already done my work in pencil, and I'm going to start with my markers so you guys can see it really well. I do suggest you start in pencil. We're going to start with the body of our chicken. I like to start with the crazy hairdo and some zigzag lines going down into a triangle shape. I'm going to skip the lines where I already know I've got things going. And we're going to add just a curved line across the bottom. Next, we're going to give our bird a beak. I did kind of like a curved out letter V with a rainbow shape on top. Give him his little red pieces hanging down there, if a rooster you want. Some nostrils. Some eyeballs. And I like to give my animals a fun expression always. So to do that, I use eyebrows or eyelashes. I just think it gives them way more personality. Next, we're going to add our chicken's arms, or in the case of a chicken, wings. I just kind of made them as I would imagine wings being used as arms and hands, with the feathers being the fingers. Our chicken is holding a flower. I add that next. The stem is going to be tucked underneath his arm or wing. And then the stem will come out the bottom. I added a couple of leaves with some lines to give it some texture. I like to also add some lines along my flower edges. Again, just to give it some texture and make it look a little neater. Now for the nest, it's nice and messy and fun. I mean, have you ever seen hay lay straight? So I did some zigzags and a rounded bottom. To make it really look messy inside of that nest, we're going to add these little zigzag hatch marks, kind of just showing hay and straw going every which direction in this nest. And that's your chicken. You could add other items into his hand and see what he has. I hope you enjoyed this drawing and the new format, making it a little quicker to get through that drawing for you. Let us know what you think by hitting that thumbs up button and subscribing for more videos. See you next time.